Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change the thumbnail of your YouTube shorts after uploading it. So it will be quick and it can help boost the clicks on your videos. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your YouTube studio. Over here, tap on the option of content in the bottom. Here you will see the list of all of the shorts that you have posted on your channel. So you need to select that particular video, the thumbnail of which you want to change. For example, let's say this is the video, the thumbnail of which I want to change. So after selecting it, you will see this pencil icon here in the top. So simply tap on this pencil icon, and then here you need to tap on the current thumbnail that you see over here. Now if you are not able to tap on the current thumbnail that you see inside your YouTube studio, I would recommend you to access it with the help of your channel. So first of all, come here on your channel, then tap on the three dots right next to it, then select the option of edit. So it will open the edit video option just like the one that was in your YouTube studio, but now this time you will see the pencil icon on your thumbnail. So if you tap on this pencil icon, you will see all of the thumbnails that you can basically select for this particular video. You will see all of them here in the bottom. So let's say I want to change it to this one. Once done, simply tap on this check icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on the option of save in the top right hand corner of the screen, and this way you will be able to change the thumbnail on the YouTube shorts after you upload it in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.